I'm making a low pressure manifold. I need to add a couple of NPT threads. I'm going to add 2 1/4-inch NPT threads and an 1/8-inch NPT thread. To do this, I'm going to use the free download on verifiedcad.com that we put up. So if you download it, the cool thing about this is you can drag and drop this NPT thread directly into SolidWorks. And then the first thing you have to do is pick a size. So this end uses 1/4-inch. Second thing, edit sketch. I'm just going to drag the center of this sketch to the center of the hole in the manifold and finish. I'm going to do that for all 3 fittings now. So back to the download here. Let's see. We'll do the other 1/4-inch. And then just 1/16 or sorry, 1/8 inch here. And that gives me 3 usable NPT fittings, NPT threads rather, on the ends of the manifold. I'm just going to clean up the manifold a bit here. Let's see. So that's the insides cleaned up. I'm also going to clean up the outside. Let's see. See if we can make the outside diameter match the outside of the 1/4-inch NPT. Nice. And then let's just do the same thing here. There you go, low pressure manifold, 3 NPT fittings. The free version has 3 sizes, 1/16, 1/8, and 1/4-inch. Feel free to check it out here on verifiedcad.com, and let me know what you think.